Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So basically, now we'll be like discussing, or I'll be showing you which is the best crypto to buy in this bear market on a budget. On a budget means like you get on like 500 to 1,000 US dollars on your account, and let's see. So what we have now is I'm actually right now on coin market cap wherein we are like looking into the top coins or crypto on the market. So as always what we have is Bitcoin, which is now hovering into 16,000 range, followed by Ethereum and some stable coins like USDT and USDC, and yep, followed by BNB. And yep, the rest you could see in here, like the top 10. Like we have XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, and Polygon Matic. All right, so maybe you were wondering, like, if you have like $500, should I buy Bitcoin or should I buy Ethereum or should I buy like other right now? So it's only one way to find out is with the help of our of a simple math, and of course all good Excel. All right, so what I have right now is some coins, and what I have. Okay, these are like my some coins that I was like planning to buy, and some of these are actually on my portfolio. So this is the Excel that will be used to check whether we could buy Gala or we could buy Ethereum or Bitcoin on a budget. All right. So on our first column is the coin that we want to buy. On the second column or the B column is the USDT. This is actually our budget. So let's assume that we only have 500 US dollar, and buying price is like the current price of the coin, and you can buy like how many coins, like for example, let's say the buying price for a certain crypto is like 500. So basically you could only buy one, right? So one could only buy one, and let's say the future price is like 600. All right, there's like a 20% difference, and like 1 times 600 will give you 1 times 600 will give you like 600, like a future price. It's like a future price. So that will give you like an earning of $100 only. All right. Assuming, I tell you, right, this is like assuming that this is the price for a crypto. I'm telling you, Gala is like way more than below than 500 right now. This is just like a test. But anyway, okay, let's start with Gala since it's the first crypto that we have right now. So again, let's assume we have $500 for Gala, and let's go to Coin Market Cap and check for Gala crypto. Okay. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is just I was like, this is just how to like invest in crypto, how to play, but this is not a financial advice, right? So currently Gala is hovering around 0.02778. So let's uh, 0.02778. So meaning if you have 500 US dollars, you could buy 17,998 Gala or token, right? And let's say the future price is let's get the price yesterday, all right? Like Let's get the price yesterday. Like this is like a 1 day, so 7 days. Okay, let's do it like 7 days ago. So yep, today is actually November 17, and like 7 days ago, let's say the price was around 0.2935, 0.02935, 0.02975. So meaning with this price, right, with this price, and then only a difference of 7% for like 7 days, you will get 535. But your initial investment was 500, so your net investment or net earnings is actually just $35.46. All right. But actually, what we have done is like the future price like really small. The difference is quite really small. But if you look into the all-time high for Gala, all right, all-time high for Gala was like 0.8367. All right, 0.83, 0.8367. So basically, what we're doing is like we're assuming that the price of Gala on the next bull run, maybe like 6 months from now, could go back to the all-time high, which was 0.8367, as it was stated in here, right? You see this line here, 0.8367. Okay, so in here you will get actually 15,059 if you buy Gala now at this price. So 15,000 minus 500 will give you 14,559 earnings, net earnings, and that's like wow, that's like a big one. That's like, yeah, give me Gala, right? Um, I hope we're clear on this one. Okay, let's talk about now Ethereum, which is like the number two on the crypto, follow, always following the Bitcoin. All right. So for Ethereum, the current price is 1205. No, it's 1204, but 1206, of course. So let's look into the 1206. Buying price is 1206. All right. So yes, sad to say, you can only buy 0.41459. All right. And the future price is, let's look at the future price for Ethereum. Ethereum, come on. Why is it like really long? Overview, okay. Ethereum, everything is in the red, right? As I told you, we are currently on the bear market. So Ethereum all-time high was like 4891.70. 4891.70. So there's like a 305% difference. A year ago, that was like a year ago, yeah. November 16. Oh yeah, exactly like a year ago. So the difference is like two to 2028 deducted minus the 500 initial investment that you will have, so you will only earn 1528, assuming that Ethereum goes back to the all-time high, just like what I have put in here. All right, so given actually just these two, given just these two, just these two comparison, I could say that it's better to invest in like altcoins like Gala, but assuming that Gala, of course, will reach 0.08367, right? But I told you, right, this is not a financial advice. Uh, what I'm doing right now is basically I'm just telling you that I'm just changing the future price to the all-time high for this coin. So it may reach 0.83 again. It may not, but let's say you just put it like 0.5, 0.50, all right, and it will still earn you like 8,499. Not bad, right? Not bad compared to Ethereum. So I think for this case, I think if you're on a budget, maybe you should buy like altcoins. So I told you, right, I'm not promoting Gala, so this is just the coins that I have done some comparisons. As you could see in here, I'm also playing around with some Axie Infinity coins, the Bitcoin, the RWIB, Stefan. So I won't be discussing this to you anymore because yeah, these are like very old prices. Okay, for the third. Okay, now for our last example, all right? So Dogecoin, which is like one that is one that Elon Musk has, right? Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is now 0.08575, 0.08575, all right, 0.08575. So you could buy 5,830 Dogecoin and assume that the future price, okay, where's that all-time high for Dogecoin was 7,376 in here. Yeah, I think this was the time when Elon Musk like, oh, I have some Dogecoin on me, so yeah, I could buy it. So it was like the time that it went really high. So the difference is assuming that the Dogecoin reached 0.7376, that's a difference of 4,300. So it's basically like 5,830 times 0.07376 will give you 4,300. And 4,300 minus your initial investment of 500 will give you 3,800. Not bad, right? Not bad. So yeah, Dogecoin, Gala, ETH. Oh, which one is better than? All right. Again, this is not a financial advice. I was just playing with Gala, ETH, and Dogecoin, and I'm just assuming that the future price will reach this one. But I tell you now, this is the current price that we have, as is indicated here in Coin Market Cap. All right. So yeah, this is the current earning, assuming this is what happened. Right now, I will show you is the actual thing that happened to me when I was like playing with Gala, right? So this is like a live thing before, all right? So this is my Binance account, which is actually my just one of my Binance account, all right? um, I hope you can see the screen right now. So yep. So let's check for. I think what I did is like I played with Gala as well before. So this is like the actual thing that happened to me. So I did. This is just a spot trading, right? And I told you I have earned I think 50 or I think $70 on like just 1 hour of trading. Yeah, I did a short trading for Gala. So yeah, okay. Let's sort this one out for the field. And yeah, this is what happened, all right? So like this happened like November 4, just recently. So I bought Gala for like 0.02918, all right? And I managed to get 28,000 Gala with an initial investment of 818. I hope you could see the screen. This one is like really small. Oops. Okay. All right. Okay. See this one here? I have $818, and I managed to buy Gala at 0.02918. Now, that is like around 9:21 in the morning. Now, around like after, let's say like 30-40 minutes, I saw that Gala was like racing to 0.03207, and actually I sold it. I sold all my Gala, all right? I sold all my Gala and I managed to get 898. So 898 minus 818, all right. Anyway, okay. Let's do the math in my calculator. Calculator, where are you? All right, 898, 898 minus 818. Okay, so that's is quite nice. I managed to get actually $80 on doing trading for like 40 minutes. Not bad, right? But yeah, this is like a good assumption that I managed to that Gala will be getting higher, because if not, if Gala falls down below 29.18, then I won't sell it, of course. So yeah, this is like an example of doing a spot trading on Gala. So I was like actually doing the thing on Excel sheet. All right. So I'm not doing any leverage here, but just spot trading. So yep, that's I think that's it. So I think the lesson for me for this trade is more like don't be greedy, right? So I managed to get $80. When I saw that, oh, it's racing, it's getting higher, and I can get $80 out of it, then why not? Why not sell it, right? Um, Again, right? This is not a financial advice. This is just what I do every day if I have time. So yeah, I think that's for me. So if you want to have that Excel sheet, if you want to have this Excel sheet, just comment below and I will send this to you, all right? For free, of course. So you could also play with your token and at least help you decide which token to buy, all right? Which a good crypto to buy right now. And yep, I hope we have learned something for today. Okay. And yeah, see you on my next video. All right. See you next video.